Every day, the world gets faster, and so do the threats we face. Crimes happen in broad daylight, cyberattacks strike quietly in the middle of the night. And when seconds matter, the difference between safety and disaster often comes down to one thing: speed. But right now, the system we rely on are too slow. Police often don't have enough time, resources, or information to act before it's too late. In cybersecurity, threats like ransomware and phishing attacks spread through network in 1 second, blocking systems, stealing data, and leaving chaos behind. The response is often delayed, disconnected, and reactive. We need something better, something smarter, something that doesn't wait for permission to protect.
But Sentinel AI doesn't stop at the street. In the digital world, it becomes a shield. It constantly monitors networks and systems, detecting cyber threats the moment they appear. Whenever it is a virus, a phishing scam, or a complex ransomware attack, Sentinel AI doesn't just alert people. It takes action, it blocks the attack, isolates the threats, and learns from it, making the system even stronger the next time. It's powered by multiple layers of artificial intelligence, like reinforcement learning. It helps control drones and cameras with precision. Reinforcement learning helps it control drones and cameras with precision. Supervised learning lets it recognize the cyber threats, and unsupervised learning helps it discover brand new threats before they spread. It's fast, it's smart, and it's built for impact.
Sentinel AI protects school, hospital, government system, the place that matter most. It doesn't collect personal data, it avoids bias, and always put human control. This is more than just a technology, it's a real-time safety system, a partner for law enforcement, a guardian of digital space, and a step toward a safer world, one where threats are stopped before they cause harm.
This is Sentinel AI and is always ready.